Hi, and welcome back to Greywing. Our focus these last 2 weeks have really been to provide you with the best visual tools that we can to help you in your decision-making process. Previously, our data feeds were plugged into your VMS, say Mary Apps, Dataloy, Vezon, and that is exactly how the vessel's route will be shown. We would show you exactly what they show you. However, at this point, we've understood that when it comes to things like planning, perhaps you are privy to information that the systems are not. Or if you even for planning purposes want to imagine a new route, how would you visually see that? Greywing now enables you to do that. So we're going to click on a vessel and this is its route. So it's stopping at Qingdao, Shanghai. We're going to click Start Plan, select the crew, and you'll now see that there's a review route step added to the feature. This is simply because I may want to imagine what the crew change could look like without a certain port or with a certain port added to the process. This is how I would add a port in the current route, and this is how I would delete one. And this is simply a UI improvement, a front end feature just to help you with your planning. If any of this were to be reflected outside of the system, you now have stronger capability to send out a plan with actual physical mapping of what it would look like. Another feature that we've brought to you is how to physically see the ports that you're considering for a crew change on the map. So Greywing provides you with an exhaustive list of the ports that you can do a crew change at. But you'll notice as you scroll that there are orange dots populating on the map, just so you have physical understanding of the deviation that your route would need if you were to consider other ports. As you can see, the system is getting more populated as I scroll, and it would only increase if I increase the number of nautical miles with which I can do a crew change. Previously, we also showed you how you could select the top 3 ports based on criteria you've selected. So for example, it's now selected the top 3 ports and giving me comparisons of crew change prices at each port. However, we've now strengthened that feature to add something called preferred, where it will show me criteria with which I have selected to pretty much show up preferred ports. And in this case, it's Shanghai. And I click that and I simply look for flights from there. And this is all about us really aiding you visually in your decision-making process. Thank you so much for joining us this week.